continues on the side, guys. So putting up the decking slab right now. I'll show you what is happening, guys. Guys, so this is the back room, and we are using bamboo for the props. That's very cost effective, guys. When you rent iron props, you know, the longer you keep it, the more money you will spend. So you buy a couple bamboos and you use them. Yes, guys, so we have the wheelers in and everything up there. Just ready to put in some props in this thing. Drop on the plies when you're ready. We're gonna rent the plies, some of the plies, and we're gonna buy the one that we want to cut. So we're gonna rent the whole ones, and then we buy a few to cut up to put in the cutting spaces. And that's how we do it, guys. So we have some nice size bamboo right here. Gonna use and prop up the decking. As I say, you buy the bamboos, guys, it's more cost effective and they are very firm. You have to know how much space to put them apart. The decking is tall. You know, the taller the building, the lengthier the props will get. So you have to put them closer. So a lot of things to know in the construction field. These are nice bamboo. So this is one of the bedroom, guys. We have the passage to deal with. This is the bathroom. So all of the boards are up there already. We just need to put in props. Drop on the plies up there and we're good to go. Yeah, my people. It's a good look. Yeah, man. Some healthy bamboos around here. I'm gonna use and prop up the decking. Got this big boy right here. Nice. You can't cut any lengthy bamboo when you're putting up decking, guys. It will tear down. You can also use posts if you have posts near you. So, manpower is gonna cast this, guys. You're kind of at a difficult spot where premix hard to reach. And then again, it depends on the client. If they can afford the premix also. So, we're gonna do a portion of the building. And then we continue the rest of it. We're gonna do one section. Then we move to another section. So stay tuned, guys. Let me give you a look from up top. Yes, guys, this is the washroom. This is the last part of the building that block up and stuff, guys, and it is the first part of the building that is finished. So curing metal is a very important thing, you know, guys. Depends on the time of the day. If it's hot, you know, you gotta wet it early. Sometimes when you're casting, you have to be wetting it same time. If the time is cool, then you will get away with it. Or if rain comes on right after you cast, then you will get away with it. But when the time is hot, guys, concrete will crack. So you have to keep rubbing them out. Yeah, so this is a look from up top. 2-bedroom, bathroom, and passage. I'll take out this section, then we move to another section, guys. So that is the rest of the building over there. Still have this part to sort out, guys. So we multitasking same time. Working on the stones around that area. So we can get that part of the building up. Spotify it. See it there? Yeah, but me people see stone man here today now. Big one just keeping them out. Wow. You're finding groove, man. You're getting it. Come on. The foundation I dig, man. Go back for the sledge nature. Oh, what does you have a creep in the brother? You have a creep in the hole. But how do you know, man? One thing is so stubborn. This part is gonna deck flat also. So this section over here is gonna deck with a little hip. And as I can see, we have the pipe, so carry the water inside the tank and get off the excess water from up here. So stay tuned, guys. Just pushing in bamboo, man. Fire 6, big fire. Fire tear me up with them in a bit. Big fire. Alright, I count as 11 to go now. Walk up there. No sir, I must walk. Man. You count sir? How much you want? Yeah, that. How much you want? You want it? Wait there. You want it? Around it. Alright, turn up on the window, man. Turn it up so. Turn it through window. Bamboo, bamboo. What's that?
And there I get status.
I don't know.
Getting 4 cards. Actually, carrying it in the floor. Yeah. So the wire. The wire. Because I heard down, because I heard in. Before you come here, sir. Yes, boss.
Why under the stone them guys? Yeah, man. So on this part of building to expand. Continue go out there where the fire is. Drop a bathroom inside this section. Yeah, man. That is it.